Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are keeping safe and staying home. Please like, comment and subscribe. So today I have bring you the unboxing and complete review of Motul 5140 10W-30 Technosynthesis Ester synthetic blend engine oil. That means it's a semi-synthetic engine oil from Motul with 10W-30 grade. Because my bike is Honda Express and the company recommended grade is 10W-30. So I have purchased this for rupees 443, as you can see. So what I found is a little bit of leakage, very minor, but it's there. It's very minor leakage. So you can see the import year of 2020 December. I don't know how much is the expiry date. So up to 15,500 kilometer I use the Honda recommended Honda Live. After 15,500 I first changed to Motul 3040 plus 10W-30 mineral oil. So I use that oil for around 2,200 kilometers and its performance was pretty good. So this time I think to switch to semi-synthetic oil of Motul and I purchased this. So in this video I will show you how to change your engine oil in Honda Express by yourself in home. So to remove the engine guard you need number 5 number Allen key. So this is Allen bolt, you need first 5 number Allen key. You just remove this like this, rotate anti-clockwise. In the opposite side there is a same bolt. Now gently pull the cover towards front side, towards the front wheel side, it will remove easily. Now again go back to that side. So now we need number 12 box spanner to remove this drain bolt. I will let you see. See, this is number 12 and number 13 both side box end range from Stanley. I have also purchased this from Flipkart. You just put the range there and rotate anti-clockwise, means upside. Okay, now it's loose. The container below. Although the oil, even after 2200 km, was pretty good, was not giving any trouble till I thought to change it, because daily I travel around 130 km. So you wait for some time to completely drain the remaining oil, otherwise it will mix with the new oil. So remember, always when you change engine oil, always use new washer. Every time I have purchased some spare washer from Honda showroom and keep in my house. Now tight this in clockwise, but remember you only give proper torque, don't over tight it, otherwise you may damage the thread. This is the remaining residue. So after cleaning you should check if there is oil leakage or no. If there is no oil leakage, then the torque is proper, tightening is alright. After changing the engine oil 1-2 times yourself, you can understood how much torque you should give. Now I am using this. I will use this engine oil from Motul. This is a semi-synthetic. Let me quickly open this. It's little bit tight. You can use a cutter. It will come out completely. And this part also need to remove. No need to remove this red color portion. I was thinking that this white portion will come out, but it is not like it is fixed. Okay. Now we should go to the opposite side to pour the engine oil. So to remove this engine boarding cover, we need an adjustable spanner. So like this, you can purchase the one adjustable spanner. You can put a cloth upon this so that the plastic portion does not damage. Then you need to rotate anti-clockwise. See, now it's open. Now you should use a plastic funnel, otherwise the oil will be spilled. So use a plastic funnel like this. It is easily available in local stationery shops. Then pour the engine oil slowly. Sorry for the camera angle. I am pouring the oil from top side, so it's not visible. Pour the oil slowly. Don't rush, otherwise the oil will be wasted. So after pouring the oil completely, you should wait. You should fill up all the oil. So after filling all the oil completely, you fix back the cap and retight it, and then open again to check the oil level is okay or not. So as you can see, oil level is okay. So then you again use the adjuster spanner to retight the cap to the position as marked from Honda. There is a mark on the top side. You should rotate to up to that mark. So now it's done completely. If you do for the first time, you may find it little bit difficult, but after 1 or 2 times, it will be easier. You again fix back the plastic cover, and one time you can check if there is any oil leakage or not. As you can see, no leakage, so it's perfectly done. So about the quality of the oil, what should I tell you? The smoothness is similar to that mineral of Motul, but at higher RPM. Suppose I am cruising over 80 to 90 speed. That time its refinement is pretty good. Means at lower RPM you will not feel the difference, but if you cruise at higher RPM, this work pretty good. So I will definitely tell you to purchase this if you want to switch to semi-synthetic engine oil of Motul. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.